A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development for federal employees, a federal judge in Massachusetts has temporarily blocked President Donald Trump's controversial buyout program, which aimed to incentivize federal workers to resign in exchange for pay and benefits until September 30th. This decision comes just hours before the original deadline for employees to accept the offer, which had been set for Thursday night. U.S. District Judge George A. O'Toole Jr., appointed by former President Bill Clinton, has scheduled another hearing for Monday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time to further consider the legal implications of the program. The buyout offer, referred to as the fork in the road, has faced substantial pushback from labor unions, which argue that the initiative is unlawful and poses significant risks to the functioning of the federal government. The American Federation of Government Employees, AFG, and other unions filed a lawsuit claiming that the program is arbitrary and capricious and violates federal law. They contend that the administration cannot guarantee the funding for the buyouts and has failed to adequately consider the potential fallout from mass resignations. The judge's ruling effectively pauses the deadline for federal workers who were facing pressure to make quick decisions about their employment status. Under the original terms of the buyout, employees who accepted the offer would have been required to stop working immediately, with the promise of continued pay and benefits through the end of September. However, public safety employees, such as air traffic controllers, were excluded from this offer. The lawsuit filed by the union seeks a temporary restraining order to halt the buyout program, arguing that it sets an unreasonably short deadline and could lead to a significant reduction in the federal workforce based on ideological grounds rather than performance or necessity. The unions have expressed concern that many employees might accept the deal without knowing they have additional time to consider their options. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt commented on the judge's decision, stating that the extension allows more federal workers to consider the administration's very generous, once-in-a-lifetime offer. The buyout program is part of Trump's broader initiative to reshape the federal workforce, a plan that has been heavily influenced by Elon Musk, a prominent advisor to the administration. Critics of the buyout program have pointed out that it excludes military personnel, postal service employees, and those in national security roles, leaving a substantial number of federal workers vulnerable to termination. As of now, over 40,000 federal employees have reportedly accepted the buyout offer, with estimates suggesting that between 5% and 10% of federal workers might take advantage of this opportunity. However, this still leaves nearly 1 million federal employees at risk of being affected by the administration's plans. The legal challenges to Trump's buyout program highlight the contentious nature of his administration's approach to federal employment and the ongoing tensions between the government and labor unions. The outcome of the upcoming court hearing could have significant implications for the future of federal employment policies and the rights of federal workers. This story is still developing, and updates will be provided as more information becomes available. The political landscape remains charged as federal employees navigate the uncertain waters of the Trump administration's employment initiatives, with many watching closely to see how this legal battle unfolds. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.